Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy and a healthy snack recipe, especially for the kids and both elders. It helps in increasing the calcium and the strength in both elders and children. For that, in a kadai I have taken half cup of groundnut. We are going to roast the groundnuts well till the skin begin to peel off, so that the groundnut gets its raw smell off and a crispy texture. If you see now, the groundnut's skin has come off well. Let it keep it aside, let it cool. So now, after the groundnut is done, in the same kadai I am adding 2 spoons of ghee. Let the ghee melt well. To this I am going to add ragi flour 1 cup. Roast the flour for 5 minutes till the flavor of the flour rises. If you can see, after 2 minutes the color of the flour has started to change. And now after 5 minutes, if you see, the flour has come crumbed. So now let us cool it a bit. In the meantime, we are going to just grind the groundnuts that we have peeled off and kept. Make sure that you don't overgrind the groundnuts so that the oil from the groundnut comes off. I'm going to grind it for 2 pulses. After that, we are going to add the fried ragi flour to the groundnut mixture. Ilachi powder 3/4 spoon. Brown sugar 1/4 cup. A pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. Now we are going to grind all these ingredients very smoothly, and after that I am here going to add 3 spoons of white sesame seeds. It's quietly optional. So now, after grinding with the sesame seeds, I have transferred the mixture to a bowl. To this I am going to add 10 fried cashews with the ghee 1 spoon. Mix the mixture well. The mixtures are in the texture of crumbs. So now it's a perfect time to mold the mixture into laddus. Make medium-sized balls out of each and every scoop of mixture you take. Here you go. A healthy, energetic and easy healthy evening snacks is ready. These can be consumed both by elders and as well as the kids, especially for the kids who return from the school in the evening. Even once one laddu gives the fulfilling effect to the stomach. It also strengthens the bone, as both groundnuts and ragi are rich in calcium. So please do try this recipe at home and send your feedbacks to our comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut, and please do update your favorite recipes in the comment section so that I would get a chance to upload all your favorite videos. Stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye.